Blessed people, happy new year and merry christmas, and welcome once more to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. I appreciate you. If you've been an old subscriber, I can't thank you enough for staying with me, and I hope you continue to stay with me as I have a lot packed for 2025. So, guys, today we are looking at a 100% covered scholarship for graduate students. So, if you have been wondering, if you're in Iran or Iraq, Nigeria, Cameroon, wondering if you're eligible, yes, you are eligible. This scholarship covers most or all countries. We're going to explore the list in more detail, so stay tuned up to the very end of this video and you're gonna be amazed by all the amazing benefits of this scholarship. Let's dive right into the video of today. And please turn your notification bells on because all these opportunity scholarships are very timely. Okay, so you need to grab it and apply it before the deadline. Okay, so are you a high achieving graduate or a young professional from a developing or emerging economy? Then the Wiedenfeld-Hoffman Scholarship and Leadership Program offers an incredible opportunity to pursue fully funded graduate studies at the prestigious University of Oxford. I'm sure you have once heard of Oxford University, and if you have been dreaming to go there or just to study in an amazing university, then this is something you should be looking at. On the screen, you can see all the eligible programs or courses in terms of this particular scholarship, right? So Oxford offers so many other courses, but these are the courses that you can be eligible for or you can apply for through this particular scholarship. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so this is some of the courses. You can take a screenshot of it, or you can just follow on the video or go to the link. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, and then see if what you're hoping to study is there. But it is a long sweet list of courses, so probably you'll find what you are looking for. Okay, so just taking a glance of what you should demonstrate or what they're looking for before you can apply for this opportunity is you should be able to connect your subject study and a long-term career objective. So you have to be able to explain how your professional work is going to contribute to the improvement of your public life in your country, of the public life of your country, basically. And taking a look at some of the eligible countries, as I earlier mentioned, the list is long. Okay, so you can just pause the video here, take a screenshot, or you can still go to the link in the description box and thoroughly explore the different countries that are eligible. Okay, but as you can see, my top watching viewers are from, we have the United States, Nigeria, Cameroon. I've had some people from Iran, India. Yay, Indians. Oh, you guys are also the very, very best. So all of those countries are listed here. Ghana, Congo, Kenya. Like, I mean, guys, almost everything. Ethiopia. So just go through the list and check out what it all entails. Okay, so this scholarship combines academic funding with a comprehensive leadership development program, equipping scholars with skills and networks for a lasting impact on their communities. So it's a combination of both things. It's not just you studying, but it's also looking at the leadership development part of everything. Okay, so this scholarship is basically designed to support and nurture tomorrow's leaders. So it's available to select full-time third master programs at Oxford, and it's aimed at individuals committed to public service and sustainable development in their home countries. Guys, please take note, it cannot be a part-time kind of study. It has to be a full-time master's program. Okay, so that is what the scholarship covers. In terms of some of the amazing benefits, as we have earlier mentioned, it is full tuition and college fees. That is 100% coverage of course fees. Living expenses and annual grant living costs set at a minimum of 19,237 euro. That's the minimum, guys. So it can really be more. unimaginably more. So please don't dwell on it. Pre-arrival costs, so assistance with costs like visas and travel. It doesn't just pay for your tuition, but it also takes care of your visa and travel fee. So, guys, this benefit is amazing. And if you're wondering about how to apply or what it entails, this page on the screen is just gonna tell you what they need, what you need to upload. You need a scholarship statement. Most scholarships need that. And to understand exactly the deadline for this scholarship, guys, please go to the course page. Okay, so on the course page, each course has its own deadline, so there's not like a generalized deadline, but it runs up to May 25th. That's like the general one, but each course has its own deadline, so please check it out. There might be a course that is ending in January, there might be a course February, there might be a course March, so please make sure you check it out as soon as possible. Okay, so but by April 2025, if you have applied, you're gonna start knowing, gonna start participating in interviews. You're gonna start interviewing the almost successful candidates, if I can say so. So please apply as soon as possible. I cannot emphasize this more, because if you miss this opportunity, they're limited. You have to apply next year, which is not bad. It gives you more time to prepare, but I always like to put the information out as soon as possible. This is like fresh news. It's few hours old, this particular scholarship, so please, that's why I'm begging you to put on your notification bell, so once you get a notification, you just get on it. Okay, and just noting that once you apply for the scholarship, automatically you'll be considered for the Hoffman Education Group Partnership Award. It's automatic, guys. So if your scholarship is outstanding, you also stand a chance to get an award on top of all the amazing benefits of the scholarship, because they're partnered, so you don't need to do double application. And if you need more information, please visit the link on the screen, right? The website, you can contact info@wstrust.org, and they're gonna respond to you if you have any particular questions that I did not address in this video, or you have some concerns that I did not just address in this video. So in addition to financial support, scholars participate in a leadership program that includes business skills, communication training, and networking opportunities. Scholars are encouraged to develop a connection between their studies and long-term career objectives, especially in ways that benefit their home countries. Please keep this in mind while writing your statement. You need to show that connection. Whatever your statement is, make sure you highlight that connection as much as possible. It is very easy to search for a course on your page. Go for the full time. If you're targeting the scholarship, then you're gonna see where it's taught, the course level, the department, and then you can even put in keywords to just make it easier for you. Okay, let's look into what international qualifications like the English language proficiency. So guys, the main thing we should take note of here is you're able to apply even if you need the English proficiency. So they're gonna address your application normally with or without the English language test. But then again, if you're admitted, or if they find your application good and they want to take it to the next level, and English language proficiency is a requirement, then at that point you have to submit your scores. So to be on the safe side and having faith and putting in your best effort, knowing that you're gonna get admitted, if you are not from an English speaking country, or you did not study in English, or you just know when you go to the course you see that there's a requirement for you, I'm gonna advise that you just take the test, have it ready. Once you're called for your next step, you can submit it and you don't have to delay the whole process. Okay, but it should not stop you from applying. If you don't have it, you're still able to apply. It can even be waived. There are some circumstances that you can put in and that can be waived. So don't let it stop your shine. Okay, please don't let it stop your shine. And keep in mind, you have to apply for full-time graduate courses, not part-time, because they also have part-time courses. If you mistakenly apply for a part-time course, it's kind of automatic denial. It doesn't, in fact, you're not even able to. Okay, I just went again to look at the fees and all of that, but that should not really concern you because your target is this 100% scholarship. But if you're a rich kid and you want to still apply to go to this big school, then of course you can take a look at the course fees. But please note that every course taught at the university has its own price or its own fees. So you need to know the course that you want to study. If you want to study business management, it's different from maybe psychology. So make sure you go into the specific course that you want to study and target that. Okay. So once you submit your app, the main thing needed, you submit your application, you need to submit a scholarship statement, and then those are the main things that you need to submit, and everything can be done online. So no darling, no darling. And like, yeah, their portal is so easy to navigate. One of the schools I enjoyed reviewing. Everything is easy. For example, you want to search for a particular course, you just go when you talk about your start date, the fee stages, everything. Scholarship you want to search for, if you want, because they have, apart from this one I'm reviewing, they have many other scholarships, many loan opportunities, work study opportunities. So don't limit yourself, guys. So thank you so much for watching up to this point, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Stay safe and bye for now.